We're about to make some smoke. We're about to make some barbecue pork spare ribs. Snacky cake. Oh my gosh. You baby. I just want. Oh yeah. We about to get down with. We about to get down with the get down. Oh, so now it's time to wash the meat. I'm gonna wash this, prepare it, season it up. We about to have a field day. Some spare ribs. Okay, we about to season this up. We about to put this in the air fryer and let time do what it needs to do. And then we're gonna barbecue this joke. It's gonna be some banging stuff. I'm gonna make 2 batches, one with traditional bacon barbecue sauce and one with a new sauce. Stay tuned.